Hi, I'm Slavic with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'm presenting the Jura E8. The E-Series is in the mid-range of Jura's offerings, and it offers a nice mixture of features and value. To demonstrate the machine, I'm going to make several sets of drinks, both milk and coffee drinks, and then I'm also going to discuss a lot of the features of the machine. So the first drink I'm going to make is a double shot of espresso, or actually 2 shots of espresso. And I'm going to adjust my spout. The E8 features an adjustable spout to accommodate my 2 cups. And I'm going to press the espresso button twice. And you can do that with most of the drinks. All the coffee-based drinks, you can press it twice to get 2 of them. The milk, you can only do 1 at a time. And the E8 does feature the PEP technology, which is pulse extraction process, which has greatly improved the taste of the espresso. And there you have it. You have 2 shots of espresso ready to serve very quickly and very easily. The E8 has a color TFT screen, which features your drink menu, and it's also used for programming. The first screen, as you can see, is espresso, ristretto, coffee, and hot water. The milk is on the second screen, so you press the bottom button to scroll to the right, and I have my milk-based options here. And for this drink, I'm going to make a cappuccino, so I'm going to press my cappuccino button, bring my cup over here, adjust the spout, and this dial here at the front, you control the amount of foam. So for a cappuccino, I like it to be foamy, so I'm going to go to the left, which is the foamy side. But you can move it to the right as well if you like your milk to be a little flatter, just to be just steamed milk instead of foamy milk. There we have a beautiful cappuccino at the touch of a button. The next drink I'm going to make is an Americano. So I'm going to take a cup and I'm going to add water to it. You just press the hot water button. And this is also programmable, so you program your temperature. I always recommend going with high. And then the volume, I have this set to 6 ounces, but I can adjust this on the fly and I'll actually change it to 7 ounces. And I like to do my Americanos water first because then you get a nice presentation. The crema is going to rest on top of the drink and gives you a nicer presentation than doing coffee first and water second. Now with my water inside the cup, I'm going to add the coffee. I'm going to raise my spout, move my cup over here, and I'm going to do a double shot of espresso once again. And that's because this is just a large cup. This is a 10-ounce cup. I've added 7 ounces of water, and now I'm going to add almost, about 3 ounces of espresso. So just a single would be a little too weak for my personal preference. And that's a nice Americano. Now, another thing that you can do, which some people like, is you can do a long extraction by pressing the coffee button. And what the machine would do, it would just run all of this through the coffee. I'm personally not a fan of that. I think doing it the way I did with the water and the coffee separate leads to a better drink that's not as bitter. But again, it is personal preference. The last drink that I'm going to prepare is a Latte Macchiato. And a Latte Macchiato is typically served in a tall glass like this. And I'm going to put it over onto my milk side here. And again, I just have to scroll to the milk side of the menu and press the macchiato button. And I have this set to froth for 25 seconds. And I have it again on the foamy side, so I want a nice foam. And then the machine will also pause for a preset amount of time, which I have set to 30 seconds. And that pause is important for a macchiato because you need to give time for the foam and the milk to settle to get that 3-layer effect. So first the machine's going to froth and then it's going to pause. And while it's doing that, I'll mention some of the other features of the machine. The Jura has a side load water container here. I'm not going to remove it because of course the machine is running, but this is very easy to remove if you need to refill it. The beans go on top here, also very easy to access. The machine has a bypass doser like all Jura machines, so you can bypass the coffee that's inside the grinder. And You can use a different blend like a decaf or something like that. And the bypass doser is also used for the self-cleaning option. All Jura machines are self-cleaning, so you put your cleaning tablet in there when the machine asks for it. So that's my 30 seconds, and now the machine begins to add the coffee. And again, the goal of a macchiato is to get that separation, those 3 different layers. And I think I had my milk setting a little bit too high, so I'm just going to cancel that before it overflows. But you'll get the idea that I have my milk at the bottom, coffee in the middle, and milk foam at the top. Jura machines are not only designed to be very easy to use, but they're also very intuitive. If the machine needs anything, it asks you. For example, right now the machine says rinse the milk system. And what it's asking is for us to clean the milk side. It's a process that takes about 2 minutes, very easy to do. If the machine runs out of coffee, it also tells you to fill the bean container. The same is true for the water. If the dreg drawer is full, of course the machine tells you. With its wide range of features and ease of use, the Jura E8 would make a great addition to any kitchen. You can be making cafe-style drinks like cappuccinos, espressos, lattes, all at the touch of a button in your own home. If you have any questions about the E8 or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out, ask us questions. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.